Send them a hardcover as a gift, and hope that you take it into her side. La 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 la.
Thank you very much. I think that I think so. For us, it's also have the bridge with our city. I think that tonight at past 9, there is going to be a show. Just here in the cathedral, okay? And I hope that you are okay and happy in our city. I don't know if you have any question for us. It's a great honor. I want to give my thanks to the President and also to Professor Antonio because 7 countries here is not easy. It's a lot of work before preparing this 7th edition, okay? And then thank you very much for that work. The weather is going to be better today than yesterday night. I hope that all time, 3 days, today, Saturday and Sunday.
Sunday, yes.
That is the last day. Okay, 3-4 days here. Okay, then did you have any question? Are you very serious, everybody? Smile, please. This is not a work, okay? Okay, this is not a jail, okay? Okay, is from Galicia, of course, from Italy, okay, from Romania, okay, Romania, Italy, Bulgaria, Israel, and France, okay? And France, only you?
Yes, this is the President and Trump to be here, Mr. Nicolas Sarkozy.
Simplement comprendre d'où l'on vient pour mieux savoir où on est et où on veut aller.
He's very happy, but your level is very high, and he's happy for singer today, for your show today in Orense, but all the days in the car. Congratulations.
Merci à vous.
I think that is not the first time for some of you, no? Because from Israel is the second year, no?
Yes.
It's your second year here. Okay, and you also, Italy also, no? Yeah, I don't remember more, no? But Israel, maybe you, yes? You is your first time or even your second year?
Me first time.
You? First time. Okay.
I'm happy to be here. Okay.
Thank you so much, my friend. Y después tenemos las chicas, bueno, Francia en este caso,
Esta tierra.
es los responsables en este momento de la federación, dado que el presidente no puede estar aquí, y que el año pasado estuvieron con una agrupación cultural que nos llegó desde La Rochelle, desde Levante. Y después tenemos a nuestras pandereteiras, que están representadas aquí por 2 chicas guapas, que también hoy a la tarde estarán actuando y representando lo que es el folclore de Ubriz. Aprovecho la ocasión para daros las gracias a todos. Thank you so much, all the singers, all the delegation. For me, it's a very good day.
Thank you very much. From Italy, Francesco, please. No, you are going to be very famous here. Una gracia. For you, okay? Okay. And now from Israel. Thank you very much. And you're your first time here, okay? No, I think it's all because you have it. It's not enough to Orense, but Orense is going Galicia. Eh? Okay. Francis, okay. Thank you very much. Okay. Have a nice
El muleta.
Es un afilador. We call it afilador. That is very popular here. In one period in Spain, everybody with this kind of job belong to an area here in the Ourense province. A lot of people call us afiladores. This is not an insult. This is not, no. A lot of people